my god, I'm so scared. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is not good, but I'm doing it for the thumbnail. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, or hi if you're new. My name is David, and today, oh my god, we're going to be potting up my mango seed. And y'all, I am so excited because it has developed a lot of roots, and I kept saying I was gonna pot it up, but I kept getting busy. But it has grown a lot. It's only been a week since I placed it in Spahanum Moss, and there's already leaves developing, and it looks so cool. I will give you guys some close-up shots. I'm a little bit scared because I just pulled it up from the Sphagnum moss, not like aggressively, but I slowly pulled it up from the Sphagnum moss for the thumbnail, and I'm scared I'm gonna shock it. So I'm gonna go and get my soil mixture, which I think I ran out, so I need to go make some more soil, and then we're gonna go and pot up this mango seed and just chat a little bit. I don't know, so if you got things you want to do with me, like you gotta clean some plants, you gotta water some plants, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna go and pot up my mango seed because I just want to like do it. Also I'll be giving you guys some updates. Now trust me, I know I keep promising updates on this and that, and I'm going back and on my videos, making a list on all the videos that I need to go and give you guys updates on that I promised on it as well. Y'all, like I am trying my best to stay as organized as I can because I'm gonna start working at HEB and I am beyond scared. Like I'm super excited and I'm so like blessed and grateful that I got accepted for that job. At the same time, I'm a little bit scared because I love working, but I also love YouTube and creating plant videos for you guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, like, you know, post every single day. We're gonna find out. So yeah. Alrighty, so I just got some soil. I just got some soil from outside and the porch. I didn't like mix it at all. It's just some basic potting soil from Miracle. I hope it's not gonna be so loud. So let me just go make a little hole and just place this in here. And you guys, it will be a very short video, and to be honest, I'm gonna close the windows because I feel like it's gonna be way too loud. And yeah, so we're just gonna go. See, this is what I'm talking about. I can't just like close it the way I want to close it because I could smash one of my beautiful babies. Oh, I just dropped the plant. Okay, got it. Is this girly here? Let me just get the other ones. Now this isn't so organized, and to be honest, I do want to film a video on like me like cleaning the entire plants room. For some reason, I got a really bad habit of like wanting to film everything that I do in the plants room because I found this videos so satisfying, and I wanted to take you guys along, and you know, I don't know, I love watching those kind of videos, and I want to create content that I think is pretty fun to watch, but at the same time I don't want to like, you know, just like overdo it too much because I know I'm posting too many videos like that. And that had water, so that's great. Let me just go move this back up. So there's a lot to do, and I just wet my computer. Hope it's not gonna break, because that wouldn't be fun. I gotta like get rid of this tab. Got rid of it. Sorry about all the mess. I literally just bought some journals and some expo markers yesterday. Y'all, and I got something like really fun to show y'all. But first, let me close this window. It's kind of hard to close it with one hand. Oh, I'm gonna snap my ear right now. And if I do, it's fine. I'll just propagate it. Okay, so it has a saucer. I don't know why I have it on another saucer. It's because sometimes it overflows. It is putting a lot of new growth, so that's pretty good and fun. Oh my god. I just need to water some place in the water. Then my aluminum plant. And here is a little hole that I was doing. Here is the mango seed, and honestly, I promise I was gonna give you guys some close-ups. The roots, those are some new leaves that are developing. So that is super fun. But as I was looking over here, I noticed that this Tradescantii, it wasn't like this. I ended up moving it, but look how long it has grown. Like, you guys, look at this. And look at the new leaves. They're just so pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited to propagate that plant and make it more bushier. Little overview. How is this doing? Sorry, I'm just like looking around and seeing if there's anything that I need to do, because every day there's so many things to do in the plants room sometimes, which is fun, super fun. But sometimes I get plants left behind in the corner and they just die, and I feel like crap, like that fern in the corner. So much to do, and I got so many videos I want to film. I'm really hoping these videos are kind of fun. I'm sorry. Like, I really just want to film like a lot of plant shopping videos, but at the same time I can't. Because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to risk, you know, getting into a lawsuit. I don't know. I just been hearing a lot of stuff, and I know you're not supposed to believe everything from the internet, but I get scared, and I like to like play it safe a lot. And even then, like, I need content, because to be honest, you guys, I got some videos that I'm planning on filming and they look so basic, like watering my houseplants, some other stuff that I just think are like kind of boring to watch, but it's because they're easier to film. And like I said, I'm gonna start working and it's going to be almost full-time, so I'm kind of scared that I'm not gonna be able to be posting as much as I do here. Yeah, I don't know. I tend to overthink too much on things. So I already pot this girly up. I'm gonna go and water her. I might honestly place her in a grow lights just to be sure, because I feel like whenever you give them like a really good like lighting and they're like in a warm environment, so they can like bounce back through anything. It's like a little like a boost. I see it as like optimal conditions, I guess you can say. Oh, I'm making a mess. Every day I clean this plant's room and then every day it gets messy because I'm always like playing with dirt. So, which is so much fun, but it gets messy. Y'all, the sun came out. Okay, so yesterday and today it was the cloudiest days. It was just like foggy and cloudy the entire day yesterday, and also this morning it was raining this morning, which is so beautiful. I love it when it rains, but I was like, I want a little bit of sun rays like hitting my skin, and it's not sunny, but it's really bright outside. Y'all, it's so beautiful outside. It's sunny. It's honestly great for pictures. So your boy's gonna take some pictures on his planties, some plants that I want to like, you know, just share in Instagram, because I don't really do that much anymore, but I need to get back on track on that. But yeah, she's already done. She is so cute. By the way, this is just a basic mango seed. My mom ended up giving me some mangoes, and I ended up saving the seed. I placed it in Spahanum Moss. Ooh, I made it like into like, I placed it like a little mini greenhouse, I guess you can say. This is just a bowl. I have a lot of these. I like to like they're from Taco Cabana. The bowls, I eat it and then I just save the containers. I wash it and I use them for propagations. I put some Sphagnum moss and it's perfect. It mimics a greenhouse environment, which helps with root development a lot faster. So yeah, you guys, like, reuse your stuff. It's fun. I'm pretty sure you guys already know that, but yeah, so I placed it in there, and then like 10-ish, I think it's been 10 days. It's probably only been like a week, and she's been growing like crazy. I've been watching it every single day and I'm just so excited. I hope I didn't shock it, because I know these plants, these trees get a little bit like, you know, in shock when you transfer them, when you expose the roots. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna place it in the grow lights or to the window. Oh my god, this light is pulling through. It looks so good for my plants. Like, I'm just happy every time like my plants are able to get natural light. It makes me happy, because like that's what they want, that's what they prefer. This was a short video, and well, honestly, I'm gonna go and water it and show you where I want to place it. I don't know yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. Alrighty, so I'm gonna place it over here in the windowsill. This is a east-facing window. That's what I'm talking about. Like, it got a lot brighter. You guys can't really see it, but it was a lot darker and like really kind of depressing. But let me just go give this girly some water. I don't want to overflow it. Okay, then that's pretty good. You guys, my carnivorous plant is flowering. Look at that, the flowers. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye!